Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's been a very hard time for me staying home in this lockdown situation because of this pandemic issue, and I can't even travel much just because of these things. You guys already know it. So I had nothing to do, was been feeling boring, don't know what else to do. Today it's Raksha Bandhan, so wish you all guys happy Raksha Bandhan. Um, so Finally, I have something special for you. I've been using for quite a long time iPhone, which is my very good friend from almost 7 or 8 years. But finally, I have ordered OnePlus, and today you guys gonna see it, the unboxing. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this. Let's go ahead to it. So guys, I'm back right here in my room, and I have an invitation from Nord OnePlus. So here's what it says: that hey, there's OnePlus Nord with your name on it. So guys, today I had ordered on OnePlus, and I have really good news for you guys. Made it to be experienced 21st of July. So this is what I have. Amazing. Let's see, what is it. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Okay, it says Nord, your AR experience starts here. Really? We need to scan these things, I think. Then it says hold onto this piece. You will need to reveal OnePlus Nord. Start here. So what I did, I scanned this barcode and pre-booked my own OnePlus. And let me tell you what I have. I have already back at home OnePlus Nord right here. So I just got it from Amazon just today, and today it's Raksha Bandhan, and today I have this phone in my hand. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this thing. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and open up this package. Let's see what is it inside. So excited for this. Can you see that? Here's what I have. OnePlus Nord. Right now the price is 29,999, inclusive all the taxes. And what do we have inside? One phone, power adapter, Type-C cable, guides, welcome letter, safety information, stickers, red cable membership, all this mess things. So yeah, this phone is 256 gigabits, gray color onyx. It will look so good for sure. And the RAM, I hope you can see this. It's a RAM is 12 GB, and I already told you the storage is 256 GB. And it's been released on 20th July 2020, and today it is today it's 3rd August, and it's on my hand. So let's go ahead and open this beauty. So these things are not, we don't need it anymore. Go ahead, and we're gonna open this phone. I hope you can see this. OnePlus. Let's go. Alright, what do we have here? This way Nord. Let's take it out. Okay, this is the phone. Let me just put it aside for now. Let's see what we have inside the box. Wow, there's a lot of things. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, some stickers and the cover for the phone. Okay, then welcome letter, some guides that we don't need to see it anymore. Then we have cable and the adapter. So let's go ahead and turn on this phone. This is really a beauty. Oh my god, this is amazing phone. So it's a dual SIM phone that you can use 2 SIM cards at a time, and it's been assembled in India. 5G phone and super amazing, so that you can use it on the new generation. Right now we are already using 4G, but we don't have 5G anymore, but Jio is about to launch its 5G network soon, so we can use it on this phone. So let's go ahead and turn on this phone. Wow, the first look of OnePlus. As you can see, it's amazing. So let it be reboot and turn on. At that time I can check the cover. So this is the cover. Looks very nice. Rubber. It's kind of like silicone case. Small box. Okay, there they got SIM card open tray, pin, and wow, what is it? Red cable club. Okay, let's see. It's all started first with cable or anything that was connected to the phone. I group of members, pioneer the most enthusiastic, private community will continue now, the most exclusive benefits, of course. Still have more club at this website. Okay, it's quite good. We can check it out later. I don't know much. Okay, highest SAR value. I don't know anything about this, but they have it. Safety information, quick start. It's quite a lot. Okay, yeah, this is how you can take great pictures. Let's put it aside and go back to the phone. Jump into this phone. I just love this. The backside of the phone looks so grace and shining, but I don't want to get it scratched or something, so let's just put up cover on it. Perfect. Looks better. And here what we have completely the first thing, we're gonna go ahead and open the camera. I just wanted to check this camera. They have 6 camera on this phone. Let's see. Wow. Okay, this is the normal with HDR. Over here they have a wide angle camera where you can get more areas to be in the camera, I mean in your shot. And here we have a zoom, like if you just want to get this place, let's take a picture of it. Perfect. Let's see the normal one, right? And here we have the wide angle. Perfect. Let's check how it is. So this is how it looks on a wide angle. Gives quite good pictures, really nice. This is the normal one, and that's the zoom one. So it was quite good. So let's go ahead and check the settings. In the settings, so this features UC customization. It's only available in this phone, where you can change these amazing wallpapers, which is, as you can see here, this is great. I don't know what is it that means, but it looks like it will move a bit for sure. Let's see. Okay, see this? Let me show you again. Yeah, so that's what they have. Let's see what else. In customization, they have a clock style. Okay, I haven't set my phone yet. There is also fingerprint animation there. We can set it all later after completing all my logins. So yeah, this is what they have. So the screen is 6.44 inch. There we have device name, which is OnePlus Nord. Android version, which is 10. It's been updated on June 1st 2020. Look at this, 10. Right, let's go ahead, get back. Model status, awards. So these are the awards, they got it from this place, and amazing. Okay, this is what they have. Let's get ahead and check the sound, the most important part. Let's open this first one, and the music. I'm right here in the Kochi airport, and we're about to fly Maldives. Wow, you can see this, and the sound is quite good compared to any other phones. From here, it takes around like 55 minutes. I'm sure you can hear that. Wow, with everything what? Well, even I'm still new in this phone, but there are a lot of new gestures, as I've been using only iPhone since from the first time I got this Android phone. And I just heard about a lot of things about this customizations and the gestures. So if you want, I can make another videos for you with these gestures and the tricks that what you can do with these things. It just work with the one button that you can do a lot with it. So it's all up to you. Just comment down below if you really want it. I will sure gonna make a video just on that. I hope you like this video, this unboxing. I'm sure you're gonna love it for sure. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give likes to my videos. That's the only way you guys can support me and my channel. There is a lot way to go, and I'm still new on these things.